ages 2 and older, and this is Elite Builders, which means there is definitely building involved with 50 total pieces. There are 15 double-sided learning blocks where you can learn farm animals, healthy foods, and colors. There's an additional 35 building pieces. There's a music button, interactive questions, and a motion sensor. Now we're going to take a closer look. I have the farm all set up. I have arranged the learning blocks the opposite side of what you see on the box. That way you can see the other sides. We'll also be flipping these back later. That way you can have a good look at them. The blocks do stack on top of each other as you see, and you can rearrange them however you want. So stacking will be fun for the little ones. All 3 of the doors do open. The only thing that really fits in is the hay bale. That goes in and you can close it, but nothing else actually fits. You could put a learning block in, but you have to put it in sideways. So it really doesn't look quite right, but little kids love to open doors, so that will be fun. It comes with the pitchfork and the shovel. Hey, you never know when your animal might have a little poop and you gotta clean that up. I know the kids always love that. On the block, you have the music note. It plays 4 very short songs and a question. When you depress this, it will ask you what animal makes a certain sound, if you can find it, and you look and you put it in here. Or it'll say, what fruit grows on a tree? So that's always nice. Now I will demonstrate for you. Let's turn on. You can hear that little song.
Can you find an animal that says?
Luckily, I can very quickly for you. So I'll put this in.
Yes, the cow says.
You can also press
The
this.
cow says. Hello, friend. Welcome to the farm.
That says that with all the learning blocks as far as I can tell.
Green block.
And then
Wow.
it identifies the color. And that's all that does. So now let's watch Riley play with this set.